Computer network. A computer network is multiple computers connected together using a telecommunication system for the purpose of communicating and sharing resources. A computer network may be described as the interconnection of two or more computers that may share files and folders, applications, or resources like printers, scanners, webcams, etc. Internet is also a type of computer network which connects all the computers of the world having internet facility on them. A simple computer network may be constructed from two computers by adding a network adapter to each computer and then connecting them together with a special cable called a crossover cable. This type of network is useful for transferring information between two computers that are not normally connected to each other by a permanent network connection or for basic home networking application. Types of network. The most common types of computer network. P.A.N, L.A.N, M.A.N, CAN, Personal Area Network. A personal area network is a computer network used for communication among computer devices close to one person. The reach of a P.A.N is typically a few meters. P.A.Ns can be used for communication among the personal devices themselves or for connecting to a higher level network and the internet. Personal area networks may be wired with computer buses such as USB. A wireless personal area network can also be made possible with network technologies such as IRDA and Bluetooth. Local area network. A network that is limited to a relatively small spatial area such as a room, a single building, is called a local area network. Local area networks are sometimes called a single location network. For administrative purposes, large LANs are generally divided into smaller logical segments called workgroup. A workgroup is a group of computers that share a common set of resources within a LAN. Metropolitan area network. A network that connects two or more local area networks together but does not extend it beyond the boundaries of the immediate town, city, or metropolitan area is a metropolitan area network. Multiple routers, switches and hubs are connected to create a MAN. Wide Area Network. A WAN is a data communications network that covers a relatively broad geographic area and that often uses transmission facilities provided by common carriers, such as telephone company. Advantage of network. 1. Speed. Sharing and transferring files within networks are very rapid, thus saving time while maintaining the integrity of the file. Individually licensed copies of 2. Cost. Many popular software programs can be costly. Networkable versions are available at considerable saving. Shared programs on a network allows for easier upgrading of the program on one single file server instead of upgrading individual workstation. 3. Security. Sensitive files and programs on a network are password protected or designated as copy inhibit so that you do not have to worry about illegal copying of program. 4. Centralized software management. Software can be loaded on one computer, eliminating that need to spend time and energy installing updates and tracking files on independent computers throughout the building. 5. Resource sharing. Resources such as printer, fax machines and modems can be shared. 6. Electronic mail. Email aids in personal and professional communication. Electronic mail on a LAN can enable staff to communicate within the building having not to leave their desk. 7. Flexible access. Access their files from computers throughout the firm. 8. Workgroup computing. Workgroup software allows many users to work on a document or project concurrently. Disadvantages of network. 1. Server faults stop application being available. 2. Network fault can cause loss of data. 3. Network fault could lead to loss of resources. 4. User work dependent upon network. 5. System open to hacker. 6. Decision tend to become centralized. 7. Could become inefficient. 8. Could degrade in performance. 9. Resources could be located too far from users. 10. Network management can become difficult.